Hi guys, what's up? This is Aaron. Welcome to my video. And it's been a while since I last posted my last video. And sayang naman kung hindi tayo makapag-post ng video dahil nga monetize na tayo dito sa Facebook and I've been earning quite a centavos of dollars. Let's just keep posting. Okay, so for this video, I'll just be answering some of the questions, especially to my followers in TikTok, my friends in Facebook. All of you, especially to all my friends, social media friends, already know that I've been working in a cruise ship as an entertainment host with Disney Cruise Line. Yes, I'm working with the biggest company and I know, nakakapagtaka makapasok ako sa isang entertainment position or entertainment department. And the biggest question would be, what experience do you have para makapasok ka sa isang trabaho like entertainment department? Graduate ka as a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management sa Northeastern College. You don't have any theater arts experience or performing arts experience, blah 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 blah. Well, all I can say, that's natural. All you need is confidence. Of course, God-given talent. Just need to enhance that. Just have faith and believe in yourself. De, joke lang. So, here's the truth. Ang dami-dami nagtatanong sa akin kung anong course daw ang dapat nilang kunin para makapasok sila ng isang trabaho sa isang cruise ship or isang barko. But to be honest and frankly speaking, I will tell you, you don't need any specific course para makapasok or makakuha ng isang trabaho sa cruise ship. All you need is experience. That's it. Just experience. Because sa cruise ship po is napakadami pong available position, napakadami pong trabaho. And it's not only consisting with one department. The cruise ship consists with a big and lots of department. It means there's a lot of opportunities, there's a lot of positions, there's a lot of job. From hotel operations, from food and beverage restaurant, from kitchen or the gullies, from spas, from gym, from malls, from clinic, the doctors and everything. So yes, katulad yan ang sinabi ko kanina, you don't need any specific course para makapasok or para makakuha ka ng trabaho sa cruise ship. All you need to have is enough experience. And whenever I say enough, that means it should fit the required experience na hinahanap ng isang agency. Basically, most of the agencies here in the Philippines are naghahanap ng 1 to 2 years experience the position na ina-applyan mo. So for example, if you are experienced enough to do things, you have this knowledge for quite a years na ginagawa mo na to, that means you're professional on that na, that will make you qualify to land a job in a cruise ship. What I'm saying right now, hindi mo kailangang isipin kung anong course ang dapat mong kunin kapag nag-college ka, anong school ang dapat mong pasukan para makakuha ng trabaho sa cruise ship. All you need to have is enough experience. Sabi ko nga, I graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management sa Northeastern College. Batch 2016-2017. Hi to all my batch out there and to all my teachers, my professors. Hello. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for me. That's natural. What I'm saying is that earn more experience. Experience. I didn't graduate with degree in fine arts or mass communication or broadcasting or any acting classes or theater classes. I didn't go or undergo with those kind of classes. I just have experience, I just have confidence, knowledge, and of course patience.